How to unmute a chat in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the simple and easy steps on how you can unmute a Microsoft Teams chat. So if you're also wondering that sometimes you could have been missing notification from any particular chat and you have no idea why you are missing notifications from a particular chat. So this happens because there is a high chance that you might have accidentally muted that particular chat and now you are no longer receiving any alerts or notification from that chat whenever it messages you or there is a new announcement. So let me show you how you can identify muted chats and then unmute them. So as here you can see within this chat section, I have three chats right here, and out of which the first one whose profile picture is kind of like a silent bell. So this is basically the representation that this particular chat is muted and you will not be receiving any kind of alerts or notifications for this particular chat. So in order to unmute this, all you will need to do is simply right click over to this chat and from here choose unmute. The moment you will do this, you can see the profile picture of the person back again, and that's how easily you can unmute a chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.